All right, let's look at the what we call the almighty formula. Now, the almighty formula is nicknamed almighty because it's used to, it's a formula which can apply to any quadratic equation, unlike some other methods which cannot be used to solve all the quadratic equations. Now, what is a quadratic equation? If we have an expression of this nature, a x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, and c are constants and x variable. This is a quadratic equation because the highest power or the degree of this expression is 2, quadratic. So the highest power is 2. In that case, it is a quadratic equation. Now, how can we solve a problem like this? We can solve a problem like this using methods like factorization, complete the square, graphical method, and the formula method. So today we're looking at how to solve a problem like this using a formula called the almighty formula or the quadratic formula. So let's dive in. If we have a problem, now to solve this, we apply the method of complete the square. So first we do is to move this constant term c to this side to have a s squared plus bx equals to this plus because minus c. Next we do is to make s squared unity by dividing through by its coefficients. A is attached to x squared here. In that case, coefficient of s squared is a. So let's divide through by a. So we can have x to be unity. That is to have its coefficient as 1. In doing that, we're going to have it that x squared plus b over a times x equals to minus c over a. The next we do now is we are going to be adding the square of half the coefficient of x to both sides. Now, what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x here is b over a. So half of b over a is b times 1 is b, 2 times a is 2a. So the square of this now. So the square of this will give us b squared. 2 times 2 squared is 4. A squared is a squared. So we'll be adding this to both sides. So in that case, we are going to add in x squared plus b over a x plus, we can choose, it's better we add this particular form to this other side. So b over 2a all squared equals minus c over a plus, we now use this side, this plus b squared over 4a squared. So, simplifying the right hand side, so have s squared plus b all over a x plus b all over 2a all squared equals, then the LCM of 4a squared and a is 4a squared. So 4a squared. A divides 4a squared, we are left with 4a. 4a times minus c, that is minus 4ac plus 4a squared divided 4a squared, we are left with 1. 1 times b squared is b squared. B squared. Now, we can write this as, okay, before then, let's factorize the left hand side. Factorize the left hand side. To factorize it, what we do is we pick x plus what we have inside is brackets, b over 2a, we'll square it, equals, we can write this as b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So next we do now is, since this guy is squared, so to get rid of the square, what do? We have to find the square root of both sides. Square root of both sides. Square root of both sides. In doing that, this we cancel this. So we are left with x plus b over 2a equals, now square root of any number is usually plus or minus. For example, square root of 9 is equals to plus or minus 3, because plus 3 all squared is equal to 9, and minus 3 all squared also give us 9. So we have two values, plus or minus. So applying that here, we can say that square root of all this is given as plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Now we can split this. Since this guy is a perfect square, you can split it this way, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over square root of 4a squared. So that will give us equals to square root of b squared minus 4ac all over square root of 4 is 2, square root of a squared is a. So now to get x only on this side, we have to subtract this from both sides, or we can just move this guy to this side to become minus. So our x equals to, this guy becomes minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now let's find LCM. LCM of 2a and 2a is 2a. 2a into 2a is 1. 1 times this is minus b. Plus or minus 2a divided 2a, that's 1. 1 times everything here remains everything of numerator. So in that case, our x is equals to minus b plus or minus into b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the formula that we call the quadratic or the almighty formula. Thank you and see you in the next videos. Please, you can click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook page, so that you'll be able to know when we upload videos for you to learn. And of course, if you want us to lecture you online via our platforms, Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Meet, do well to reach out to us. Thank you.